Hello, and welcome to the Supply Chain Optimization course at Experfy. My name is Wayne Zorn. I'll introduce myself in a minute, but first, let's look at the table of contents for our course. We have 10 basic areas of study that will be presented over 5 sections and 6 lessons. Today we'll go over the course objectives, give you an overview and an introduction to the course. This course is focused on supply chain functions and then discovering the value that these functions offer the larger business enterprise and the tools that we can apply through optimization that allows us to not only discover what the value is that is locked in the supply chain, but then determining how do we execute and implement solutions that make our business better. We'll go through the analytical structure of the model, both operational and mathematically. We'll know where our sources of data are and how we extract the results from our modeling exercises. And then we'll go through the supply chain optimization workflow and how this workflow integrates with our larger enterprise. Finally, I'll discuss the applications that are available in the market today and in the application and in the use of a specific application, Savoio, which a company that I worked for, and how we used our application for a closed-loop operational management study and ongoing planning operations for a retailer in Turkey. So by way of introduction, like I said, my name is Wayne Zorn. I am an operations professional. I started my career in operations research by earning a Bachelor of Science degree at the United States Air Force Academy in 1990. I worked in the Air Force for almost 10 years, solving advanced problems related to information warfare and launching and deploying satellites in space. This was a very rewarding career, and when I left the Air Force, I found that supply chain was really the most interesting, exciting, and useful area to apply the skills that I'd learned in operations research. This really helped for me as getting started at Dell, which in the early 2000s was known as the world's leading supply chain. It was a very rich environment to not only learn supply chain, but also to very effectively apply operations research capabilities to helping that company reach its ultimate goal, which was to be the #1 computer manufacturing company in the world. When we met that goal, it was an exciting time. And I wanted to take what I had learned in supply chain and my use of operations research applications and take it to other industries. I did this through not only on the transportation and service provider side, but also in a global role as the leader of all supply chain functions at Cooper Industries. And then finally, and most recently, work on the technical side or the technology side, applying these capabilities, operations research and planning and optimization capabilities in an advanced application called PlanLM, which is developed by Savoio Company. So as you can see, I have a varied background, a lot of experience and insight on how we use optimization capabilities in the supply chain roles to improve business processes and to really demonstrate the value of supply chain to making businesses better.